You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long subtraction. The final result is 37.667. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values. Put zeros in the blank number places. Subtract the numbers using long subtraction method. Because the upper digit, 0, in the thousands column is too small to get a positive difference, borrow 1 from the number to the left, 40.00, which becomes 39.99, and get 10. 10 minus 3 equals 7. 9 minus 3 equals 6. 9 minus 3 equals 6. 9 minus 2 equals 7. Write 3 in the tens place. And so the final result is 37.667.